In this video, we'll be looking at the reel feature and what the various icons we have on the reels feature are used for. So first, you get into your Instagram and it brings out your own personal handle. Now at the bottom right of your phone, there is a circle that has your face in it. Then there is the reel icon. Then there is a plus button. Inside the square, there's the search and the home. So you click on that plus button and it brings out about 3 options at the bottom right. You have post, you have story, you have reel, you have live. Then click on reel. So when the reel feature opens, these are the various options you have. You have the music icon to the left. You have the filter icon. So as I'm calling out their names, I'm touching them. So the music icon, which is the first option to the left, this is where you search for a sound you would want to use on either the pictures you have uploaded or on the video you have uploaded, right? That is feature 1. You use that to search for audios. Then feature 2 is your filters, right? So if you have uploaded something and you want to change the filter, you can actually choose any of these ones. There are a whole lot of them. You can play around them just to see how they are. That is the second option. Then the third one is here. You can see support my small business, follow, share and like. So if you want to add yours, I said your reel will be added to a sticker page for this prompt. So this is a sticker page. A lot of people use it. You can see 61 people are using this already. Then next we have the timer. So when you click on that 15 that is showing, it will reveal the other times or durations rather that your video or pictures will last for on the reel. So if you go with the 15 seconds, it means your reel that you're posting is going to be 15 seconds long. If you click on the 30, it's going to be 30 seconds long. If you click on the 60, it will be 60 seconds long. And if you click on 90, it will be 90 seconds long. Then next is the video layout. How would you want your video to appear? You can see immediately I clicked it. One side is bright, the other side isn't. Right, I'll be taking us through each of the features, but right now we're just looking at them. And then here is another orientation, having multiple videos or pictures in one. And then the last one is your countdown timer. So when you want to use the video, that's the in-app video option, you can actually time when you want the video to start recording, right? So you can switch by sliding this slider. So you can see as I'm sliding it, the timer to the top left is reducing. That's if I slide it to the left, and if I slide it to the right, it's increasing. Do you understand? So let's say I set it at 1 second and then I say set timer and I click on the record. You can see 3, 2, 1 and then it will start recording. Now it has finished recording. So that's what that one is for. Then the next thing here, I'm going to just cancel it since we're not doing anything just yet. The next thing we have is if I want to record myself, I'll click on this circle, this big circle button that is white. If I click on it, then it will start to record. Yep, so now it's full. It has finished. So this is what it has recorded. So you can see now the square, that circle I touched, there is like. So that is that about that one. But we're going back. We're just looking. Then at the bottom left, I have like a square on top of which there's the plus in a blue circle. So this one is for where you you select either the videos or the pictures you want to use that you already have on your phone. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you to your gallery. But if what you're looking for isn't in your gallery, you click on where that gallery icon is and you locate where either the video or the pictures you want to use are. Are you with me? So these are the various features of the reel, and what you can do, and then how you can use them. At the bottom right, there is a curved arrow at the top and at the bottom. So if you want the camera to face you, that's you want to be the one you're recording, you want to speak into the camera directly, that's what you're going to click. So that is that about all of the features of the reels.